Hey, I'm Josh from InfernoWare, and today we're going to play with some Dissipate on a Radiator. This is a used Radiator out of my kid's race car. I managed to blow the engine up onto this last week. I'm really thinking that Dissipate could have been the right choice for a coating on this Radiator to help prevent that issue from happening. Took the Radiator, I power washed it, I degreased it, still pretty rough. It's already been used in a few races. Instead of replacing the Radiator and doing the coating, I'm going to show you guys how to do the surface prep on a used Radiator to get it prepped for Dissipate. Since it's already been washed and degreased, I'm basically, just to get some of the grime that's sticking to the aluminum surface, I'm just going to use a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm going to go around the edges and just clean up what I can get, just to help with some of those surface contaminants, mud or just anything that got stuck to it, to break that free. I'm going to use a little surface prep, just wipe my sides off. I'm not really going for perfection. I know where this thing's going, back in the mud. I just want to use something on this that's going to help dissipate that heat, get it out of the Radiator. Nice thing that's about this coating is it's hydrophobic, so once it's applied, the mud's not going to stick to the surface as easy, and it washes off really nice. Trying to go with the backyard approach, how somebody might be doing this in their garage on the weekend, getting a Radiator coated before a race. So yeah, one thing with Dissipate is it's a coating, it's not a paint, so we're not looking for black on our first coat. We pretty much can just roll with it, put our full 1 mil, and that's what we're after, is 1 mil of coating. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the fan on, and I'm just gonna soak this thing with 1 mil. I'm not using anything fancy. In fact, this is a Harbor Freight Black Widow, and she's been beat to hell. Used it on a bunch of different coatings already, and it's a 1-3 tip. Gets the job done. All right, folks, here we have it. We took a used Radiator. We gave it a wash job, cleaned it up, sprayed some cleaner on it just to get the grease and grime off of it, and we sprayed it. We put 1 mil of Dissipate coating on this. This coating dissipates heat up to 2,900 degrees. It acts like a sponge, absorbs the heat out. It's hydrophobic, the mud doesn't stick to it. On Radiators, you're looking at about a 35% cooler Radiator and coolant system. You know, your antifreeze, whatever, is going to thank you. We've been testing this coating for a while now. It really seems to work. It's definitely magic. And the approach I took today with this Radiator was just to show you guys that you don't need nothing fancy, you don't need nothing special to get this done. Coating goes on easy. I pretty much continuously sprayed 2 full coats to reach my 1 mil coating, and we've let it sit here for about an hour and a half. I'm already touching it, no paint sticking to my hand for the most part. This will be going back in the boys' race car tonight.